Sagittarius, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel and welcome to your July 2021 overall reading. If your sun, moon, rising or Venus is in the sign of Sagittarius, this reading is for you. And I'm going to ask few questions. Based on that, I'll be pulling 2-3 cards and see how your overall energy works towards this month, July 2021. I hope you're ready, and I hope you've watched I hope you've watched Jupiter retrograde reading, which covers 2/3 of the July. So if not, the link is there in the description box, and I would want you to go back to that, pick a card reading that will help you and that along with this reading will help you to have an overall complete picture. So Sagittarius, let's hop on to your reading. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Sagittarius, July 2021. The first question is, what is the current energy that you are into, which takes you to July 2021, or you taken into July 2021? What is the current energy you are into, with which you will enter this 7th month of the year? Sagittarius, current energy. You're Sagittarius, you're saying hi. Temperance is a Sagittarius card, ruled by Jupiter. And 8 of Cups. So Temperance and 8 of Cups. It is at this point of time, I think you're trying to balance your life emotionally and looking into the pros and cons and trying to see what you did, what you didn't, what is important for you, what is not. And finally, 8 of Cups you do, which is about moving on and letting go of the past, leaving the past baggage, having that patience having that patience and courage and balance in your life, wherein you are letting go of the past, okay? Which is really good, Sag. So that's your current energy. Looking for pros and cons and all the, okay, this flew for you. 2 of Cups, okay. Okay, I think it is something to do with your relationship thing, maybe, and there wherein it is important for you to let go of the past and move on into something new. Okay, this 2 of Cups is a card of it's a soulmate kind of a card, if you at all believe into that soulmate and twin flame kind of a thing. But it is a card wherein of a union. I don't know why your cards are flowing. Something fell. Okay, so we have Hangman. So it is asking you to have patience, it is asking you to surrender, it is asking you, just like Temperance, to see things from a different perspective and let go of the older ways and older tendencies and older emotions and older hurts and move towards 2 of Cups. A lot of patience and surrendering is important, seeing things from a different perspective. Pisces energy is guiding you. I don't know, somehow either you're dealing with Pisces or in your 4th house something is happening in your chart, natal chart. All right, so the next question I want to ask is, what is it that you don't see coming in July 2021? Because at this point of time, the struggle that you're going through is about letting go of the past and moving towards something new and seeing things from a higher perspective. So what you don't see coming with this energy in July 2021? 3 of Wands, oops, Ace of Cups, and one more card was just trying to come for you. I don't know why these many cards are just jumping out. So this is Hierophant. Okay, I'm using different decks, Sag, for all the other zodiac. I'm not using the same deck, so my decks are properly shuffled, and Hierophant is coming almost for everybody. I just don't know why. So a lot of faith, Taurus energy you're dealing with, Pisces you're dealing with, Sag anyways you are. Something, what you don't see coming is something that you waited for in your life, something you really worked hard towards, kind of a new beginning in your life that is coming your way. Once you let go of the past tendencies and past burden and past people, once you let go of that and you start exploring and planning your life with faith, with that, and giving and working towards the stability of your life, seeing things from a higher perspective, a new beginning starts. So this is what you don't see coming, because probably at this point of time, faith is very important for you. Faith, surrender, spiritual working, balancing your good and evil, following the book of law. Book of law, not the legal ones, the law of attraction and all the other things. The more you chase something, that thing goes away. The more you let go of older patterns, the better version of you comes up, and the better version of people and situation you attract. Even if an older person returns to you, this person comes with to give a fresh start. But if you can really release that energy, release that life energetically, so that's what is your challenge, and that's what you don't see coming, and that's what is your current energy all about. So have faith, release the past, and maybe something new comes up. And Ace of Cup along with Hierophant is also a commitment coming your way, because Temperance can be a card of and Two of Cups also, I forgot to say that. So Two of Cups, Ace of Cups and Hierophant is marriage, commitment, partnership coming your way, Sagittarius. So yeah, plan your life, plan your life. Just don't be in the past energy. Assess the pros and cons of your life. Now what I want to ask is, what is the piece of advice for this month, July 2021, for my lovely Sagittarius? Let's see what your angels, gods, divine wants to tell you. First is Strength card and Queen of Wands. Okay, a lot of fiery energy. Sag, this is your energy itself. So your advice is to be busy in your life, overcoming your weaknesses. So we have two patience card here, rather three, rather four. We have Temperance, which is patience and balancing; Strength, which is patience and overcoming your inner weaknesses; Hierophant, have faith. Have faith, learn, work towards your religious and spiritual growth. Hangman is again patience and surrendering, seeing things from a higher perspective. Queen of Wands is all about taking care of your health, being busy in your life, working hard towards your creativity. I'm really sorry for this new setup. I am not very acquainted with, and I just didn't note that you are not able to see your cards. Okay. So the piece of advice is this: that have patience, overcome your inner weaknesses, and be busy in your life. Bring out your creativity, and love yourself. Share your happiness with people. People do look up to you, and stay healthy. Do some exercises. That's very important. Okay, and now I'll be pulling three cards as as your overall energy. I'll use a different deck because I've already pulled 9 cards from here. I'm using my Everyday Tarot for your overall energy, Sag. Okay. So let go, have faith, have patience. Control your anger also. Sag, please control your anger. Probably you have already done some mistakes, and you have to assess it, because not all your problems are caused by somebody else. Okay. Alright, so this is for Sagittarius, July, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Sagittarius. Overall 3-card reading for Sagittarius, July 2021. 1 card, second, and the third card. Okay. So we have Knight of Wands. This is yet another Sagittarius fiery energy. 10 of Cups. So this is your overall energy, right? And then Page of Wands. Again, fiery energy. Oh, you are on fire, Sag. So Knight of Wands and Page of Wands, a lot of communication is coming your way. Maybe some sort of reconciliation. Somebody will approach you for a fresh start and reconciliation. Do not reconcile till the time you have total control over your own self. Consider the fact that if this person leaves you again, or if same situation repeats again, will you be able to take care of your own self? If not, do not move towards this reconciliation. Your cards are actually not talking about whether this person is good or bad. This your cards are actually talking about you are not doing good to your own self, Sag. So Ten of Cups, I see Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, and Hierophant, and Queen of Wands. Somebody is attracted towards you. A lot of fiery energies here. This means, and Ten of Cups, these are cards of happy ever after, long term, emotional satisfaction, emotional well-being. And Knight of Wands and Page of Wands is a new start coming your way with a communication. Somebody is approaching you and communicating very quickly, very fast, because fiery energy is very quick, unexpectedly. Okay. So yeah, that's what I have for you, Sagittarius. I hope you like this video. You can comment in the comment section how things go in your life. I'll be waiting for your comments. Please share this video with your loved ones, and I'll be sharing weekly readings also, so stay tuned in the channel. And till the next video, I take a break. Bye.